Well, it does feel good, I must say. It makes Yoruba people says, Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ ká ṣe àṣedànù, meaning may our labors not be in vain. And I have labored for this and the FCT, and so I feel fulfilled that we were able to pull it off. One thing, I'm going to have a constituency office. I will be accessible. I'm going to look at some of the reasons why FCT does not access some of the health funds that other states do, why we also don't get all the same things in terms of education that other states do, and how to remedy them. Now, if you look at FCT, we don't have water in most places. Why? How can that be fixed? When Abuja was originally planned, it was not planned to be waterless. So there's a problem, and I need to see. Those are the priority. The quality of life needs to be improved for the majority of Abuja citizens, and that I will work on. Abuja is a capital with no public transport system. That also needs to be easily fixed. It's been on the table for the last 6 years. Why? So there's a lot that needs to be done. Then when you come to persons with disability, when you come to women, when you come to youth, there's a lot of, you hear about this federal government intervention fund, all these social responsibility programs, all those things. How many of them the FCT people don't access them? Why? Anchor borrower scheme. How many FCT farmers have accessed anchor borrower scheme? None. So there's a lot of work to do in the FCT, there's no doubt about it. And may Allah grant me the grace and the ability to do all that I intend to do. I think somebody from INEC told me that we're 3 women. That is abysmally bad. And it's a shame on the whole country. Not, women, a lot of women run. We do run. But we get pushed out in so many levels. Even I won free and fair, and yet a lot of effort was put in place to put back the person the people rejected. So really, as a nation, we all need to re-examine what we're doing and where we're going, because it's not about just who you shoved today. It's about where we all will end up as a nation in a few years. The leader of the Labour Party in the FCT, I can only talk about Labour Party. We're going to have congresses. I intend to have a lot of women in the party representation. I also intend, when local government elections come, to get at least 25 women councillors out of 62. And when I say at least, that's the minimum I would settle for. I also look into getting more chairmen that are female. So that is where we have to start, from the bottom. We have to grow the women, put them in the system that elects the people. So if there are more women in the party, then it goes without saying that getting those councillors will be much easier. Getting the chairman getting them to have tickets to begin with will be an easier process than when it's only men. So that's where I'm going to start.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for